So since I have the coronavirus, and I just now today lost my sense of taste and smell, what better to do a YouTube video? Have a blind taste test. So we'll check it out. See what we got.
Okay, you have 4 cups in front of you. Choose a number 1, 2, 3, or 4.
It has different liquids.
Let's start with 1.
Okay. You have to guess.
Where is it?
It's right in front of you.
Yeah, you're picking it
All
up.
right, I'm gonna smell it.
What do you smell?
Nothing.
Drink it.
What is your guess?
It's kind of thick. Maybe a little bit spicy. See, now I know what's in the refrigerator. I think it's pepper juice.
Pepper juice?
Yeah.
Do you want me to tell you what it is?
No, wait till then.
Oh, this is going in order.
Nothing.
Hold on, can I smell it?
Don't say
It
nothing.
smells bad. Hold on, put your nose up to it.
All right.
What's your guess?
That's definitely vinegar.
You're right.
Just from the spicy taste to it. Not-
This is number 3.
I'm not sure it's like this. Yes, it does smell like nothing. There's your
Just because I know Addison, I think that's lemon juice.
Here is number 4. I don't think you're gonna like this one.
I've been drinking this all day. I think it's water.
Dang it! You got 3 of them right.
Am I done?
The first one was pickle juice.
I knew it is
This one was pickle juice,
Yes.
and this was vinegar,
Apple cider vinegar,
lemon juice.
lemon juice, and water.
What is this?
Lemon
That's
juice.
lemon juice.
I'll try a little bit.
Hold on, Daddy. Smell this one again, like this.
I can't smell anything, Bobby. Smell it?
Oh, yeah.
Never makes a country.